Welcome to the PCA Spinal Chat audio newsletter, your on-the-go update from the Pennsylvania Chiropractic Association. Today we're unpacking the October 2025 edition, covering legislative progress, member highlights, new educational opportunities, and the updates shaping the future of chiropractic in Pennsylvania. As a reminder, the PCA releases the audio version of this newsletter as a service to our members and to the entire chiropractic community across the state. Each episode is published for members first, and then released publicly 1 month later, so every chiropractor in Pennsylvania can stay informed and connected. If you're listening on your commute, between patients, or while grabbing a moment of calm, thank you for staying engaged with your statewide chiropractic community. We begin with PCA's annual address, a chance to reflect on a year of progress and momentum across the Commonwealth. In this issue, Executive Director Mike Barba, PCA President Dr. Andrew Heck, Vice President Dr. Kris Arnold, and Treasurer Dr. Theresa Russo review meaningful achievements. Stronger advocacy visibility, expanded member support, enhanced CE opportunities, and a reinvigorated statewide culture of collaboration.
Hi, everyone. I'm Mike Barba, Executive Director of the Pennsylvania Chiropractic Association. As we close out one of the most impactful years yet, I wanted to thank each and every one of you for standing with PCA and helping us build a real momentum for chiropractic in Pennsylvania. This year, we broke records at the Northeast Chiro Summit, and next year, we're taking it even further. Mark your calendars for May 1st, 2026, when we'll gather together Kalahari Resort for a weekend of learning, networking, and celebration. It's the one time each year that our entire profession comes together, and I hope you'll bring your entire team. We've also strengthened our partnerships with companies like Impact Health Sharing, Foot Levelers, Praxi AI, Sterling Professional, and Nutridyne, each offering exclusive savings for PCA members that can make real difference in your bottom line. Behind the scenes, we're continuing to invest in Pennsylvania chiropractic workforce, building the state's first apprenticeship pathway, launching an association job board, and partnering with a federally recognized student loan forgiveness organization to help reduce debt and to keep chiropractic talent here in the state of Pennsylvania. We're also connecting with every chiropractic school through our new preceptorship and mentorship initiative, helping student chiropractors find clinical homes and mentors to guide their early careers. Our working groups have been busy too, from functional nutrition to sports chiropractic. This year, our sports working group hosted its first lobby day and health screening at the Capitol, giving legislators and their staff firsthand look at the effectiveness of chiropractic care. It was a huge step forward to advancing sideline and return to play authority for student athletes, and it's only the beginning. Legislatively, we've made incredible progress. We've met with over 70 lawmakers this year while advancing House Bill 1106, our delegation reform bill, and setting the stage for modernizing our 40-year-old scope of practice. If you haven't yet watched the video from Dr. Andrew Heck in September's report, it lays out how far we've actually come. Operationally, the PCA continues to modernize. From the new PCA app to Spinal Chat podcast and the Chiropractic Is consumer website, every tool we build is designed to connect, educate, and elevate the profession. We've expanded membership categories so your entire office team can join free of charge under your membership, ensuring that everyone stays informed and empowered. And that brings me to membership. We've made exciting improvements this year. New benefits, new savings, and even greater return on your investment. To tell you more about this, here's Dr. Kris Arnold, who will walk you through how to maximize your PCA membership for 2026.
Hello, PCA members. I hope you had an amazing and blessed 2025 year. And the PCA wants to come along beside you and make sure your 2026 year is even better. When we're reviewing and looking at the data, we see that basically your membership is a 10x investment into what you return. But I got to be honest with you, I've seen a lot of members that are actually leaving a lot of money on the table. And I want to make sure we're highlighting and reviewing what are the benefits of your membership and how you can maximize it. So PCA is here to help you and be more successful. And we've aligned our membership levels along with that. Some of the things we've seen that members are not aware of is, number one, is we have a new staff membership. So if you're a paid PCA member, you can get your staff to sign up for free. What that allows them to do is get the notification from the PCA directly, so they can be informed of what's going on without you having to educate them or spending time. So sometimes they have more time to see what's happening and can inform you what's going on. That's what my office manager does for me. The other thing that we see that most members are not taking advantage of is also our insurance help. Karen Toner has 25 years of insurance billing experience, and it's a free service to our members. All you have to do is go to our website, click on Insurance Help Desk, and you can submit any insurance question and she can help you out. It's a benefit to our members that can save you literally thousands of dollars. Another benefit that we have is also access to Jason Martin, our legal counsel. If you have any legal questions, contracts, anything like that, you can reach out to him and he can also get you advice. The other thing we're also seeing that our members are not taking advantage of is our gold, diamond, and our enterprise level. That's where you get increased savings. Your ROI on your membership investment can go up from 10 to 15 to even 20x on your investment. The advantages of going from the gold and diamond level is number one, gold, you actually get free CEs. That's one thing everyone needs. It is a renewal year coming up this year. So make sure you're getting your CEs. And if you sign up for the gold level, you get even a greater reduction in your cost of CEs through the PCA. And also a little side note is make sure you're getting your CEs through the PCA. We have a great alignment of in-person and also online content that's going to meet any of your needs. By supporting the PCA, you're supporting our legislative efforts and what we do in the home office to help support you and give back to you. So support the PCA and get your CEs through that. If you go to the diamond level, you not only get free CEs, but you also get access for free to our convention. Unfortunately, prices are going up with food and also hotel and lodging. So next year, our cost for CE is going, or for convention is going to increase. But if you go and you lock in the diamond level now, when you go to renew for the year, you can get your convention at last year's price. So make sure you take advantage of that. Also through our gold and diamond levels, you get access to concierge service. You can call our home office and they'll do any of your bookings for you, which is also another little quite bonus for that. So take advantage of that. The enterprise level is also another great option for practices who have multiple associates. One person can get an enterprise level, you get 2 free associate levels underneath that. They get free CEs that are included in that package. So again, it's a nice way to bring your whole entire office together and also get your staff free things, and it helps you with retention. With the gold, the diamond, and enterprise level is another big benefit is we have an EOB review that you can submit your EOBs for Karen Toner to look at and review. And when she does that, it saves you lots of money. You can see some of the money you're maybe could be doing and changing your billing and also your documentation with that. So make sure you're taking advantage of that. So if you're not an insurance base, we also through the PCA are working with a lot of new vendors. We have a lot of new strategic business partners that are coming on. So again, make sure you're checking those business partners on a regular basis. They're offering discounts to PCA members for a lot of services you're already utilizing. So the PCA is definitely positioned for 2026 to be more successful and help you return more investment to you. But it only comes together if we're a group. We want to make sure that you're taking advantage of your membership to the highest level, and also too that you're part of the PCA. We get more things done when we come together, and the PCA is here to fight the legal battles for you, fight the regulatory battles for you, and ensure that you're getting reimbursed to the fullest extent. Those are all things that happen only when we are part of the PCA and we're also part of the group effort to move forward. So we appreciate your level of commitment to the PCA, but make sure you're taking full advantage of all your membership levels and the advantages that come with that. So reach out to the home office if you have any questions or would like to sign up for any of the additional services that I mentioned today. All right, have a wonderful rest of the year, and we look forward to 2026, even bigger and better year.
Thank you, Kris. One of the things that makes the PCA so effective is how we manage our resources and ensuring that every dollar works for our members. We've made tremendous progress in building financial transparency, sustainability, and long-term strength. No one has led this effort better than our treasurer, Theresa Russo. Here's Theresa with an update on the PCA financial outlook.
Hi, I'm Theresa Russo, treasurer of the Pennsylvania Chiropractic Association. I would like to discuss something that matters to all of us: how we hold your trust and your investment in the PCA. When I stepped into this role as treasurer, my goal was super straightforward. I wanted to allow you guys to see where your dollar of membership goes to. And today, I'm proud to say that it does. Thanks to the sale of our former office building, the PCA has established a sustainability fund, which Carnegie Investment Group is now managing. The fund is growing steadily, creating long-term financial strength and success for the association. It ensures that chiropractic in Pennsylvania remains stable and focused on the future, regardless of tomorrow's uncertainties. We've also done the hard work of cutting overhead and streamlining our operations. The PCA runs now efficient and intentional, ensuring that your dues go directly towards advocacy, education, and member support, not bureaucracy. Every program we offer, from the Northeast Chiro Summit to continuing education events, mixers, and town halls is designed with care. They bring our community together to learn, connect, and grow. And they also serve as revenue generators to keep us moving forward. Our political action committee also remains financially stable, but we can't just rely on that. It's what allows us to stand up for chiropractic rights in Harrisburg. Even a small recurring gift I encourage you to make, just $5 a month, helps us to fight for your license, your livelihood, and the next generation of chiropractors. At the PCA, we treat your membership with the utmost respect and regard, built on your trust. We believe in complete transparency and accountability. And with that, I'd invite anybody with questions regarding the financial state of the Pennsylvania Chiropractic Association to contact me directly. It is my privilege to serve as your treasurer to help ensure that your investment in this profession is protected, growing, and working for you. Thank you for believing in the PCA and helping to build a sustainable future for chiropractors in the state of Pennsylvania. I'm Theresa Russo, and it's an honor to serve you.
Thank you, Theresa, and thank you to the entire executive committee who worked tirelessly to ensure that all of our efforts are going forward and managed well. I also need to take a moment and thank my home office team. From Linda Hoffman, managing education and events, to Linda Smeltzer, who is in charge of membership and finances, to Ellie Hoffman, Jessica Treichler, and Tim Faircloth for amplifying our message and presence in Harrisburg. None of this would be possible without this team. Thank you for your hard work. To every chiropractor, student, and staff member who stood with us, thank you. Your belief in this profession fuels everything we do. I'm Mike Barba, Executive Director of the PCA. Now to close out this update, here's President Andrew Heck with his annual address.
Hello, PCA members, and thank you for taking a few minutes to watch our annual report. I'm Dr. Andrew Heck, President of the Pennsylvania Chiropractic Association. I wanted to share where we've been and what we've accomplished and why your voice at the table matters now more than ever. So serving this community in my second year as president has been one of the greatest privileges of my career. But like many chiropractors, I got involved in the PCA because I was frustrated that in Pennsylvania, chiropractors still can't delegate basic supervised exercise to trained staff. One case, one ruling, one outdated restriction shouldn't derail the career path of an entire generation of chiropractors. That's just simply not acceptable. And when I joined, I saw something else. Our profession wasn't really working together. Too often we viewed the office down the street as competition rather than a colleague. But we're not fighting each other. We're fighting the same thing, the right to serve our patients fully and freely. So let's look at the facts here. There are 3,775 chiropractors in Pennsylvania. We contribute nearly $800 million to our state's economy. For every chiropractor, there are roughly 10,000 potential patients. So even if we doubled our numbers, there would still be more people than we could ever serve. So the problem really isn't a lack of supply, it's a lack of awareness. And we need to do a better job as a profession promoting chiropractic, celebrating our diversity, and helping the public, employers, and lawmakers understand the science and long-term value of conservative chiropractic care. So that's precisely what the PCA has been doing. We've launched a new podcast to make peer-reviewed chiropractic research accessible to both practitioners and the public. We built an outward-facing website, a comprehensive resource that helps patients understand what chiropractic is and how it works. And legislatively, we've been relentless. House Bill 1106, where delegation, restoration, and modernizing how chiropractic care is delivered. We have scope modernization, updating our 40-year-old Practice Act. We're working on copay reform, ensuring parity for chiropractic patient care. And we're working on a conservative care first coalition to reduce unnecessary surgeries and opioid prescriptions. So each initiative protects your right to practice, your patients' access to care, and the future of our profession. We've also expanded what membership delivers. Today, members have access to insurance and practice consulting with Karen Toner, legal guidance through Jason Martin and our helpline, and direct advocacy from the insurance committee, and discounted and free CE and member rates for the Northeast Chiro Summit. The PCA isn't just an association. It's a living network designed to help you succeed. But we can't forget where we came from. As recently as 1975, chiropractors faced many threats and intimidations. Those who came before us stood firm because of chiropractic's power to change lives. And we stand on the shoulders of giants, and yet some of us standing on that foundation hesitate to invest and protect what they built. And that has to change. So we want your membership, yes, but we want more than that. We want your voice. If all 3,775 chiropractors in Pennsylvania stood together and said, this profession matters, my future matters, we wouldn't just be influential, we'd be unstoppable. I'm Dr. Andrew Heck, a proud member of the PCA. Thank you for believing in this profession, for supporting your association, and for standing with the future of chiropractic. Thank you.
We'll be right back after hearing from one of our strategic business partners. This segment is brought to you by Jane App, a proud Diamond business member of the PCA, and one of the most technologically advanced, user-friendly EHR platforms available to chiropractors today. If you've been looking for an EHR that actually works the way you practice, Jane is the system doctors rave about. It blends scheduling, charting, billing, online booking, telehealth, and automated workflows into one beautifully designed platform. No clunky menus, no unnecessary steps, just a clean, modern interface built to save you time and support your clinic's growth. Practices that switch to Jane often talk about three things right away: how much smoother their day runs, how fast and intuitive the charting is, and how much their patients love the online experience. Jane isn't just software. It's a practice accelerator that frees your team from administrative drag and lets you focus on patient care. And because Jane continuously evolves with new features, updates, and support, you're investing in a platform that grows with you. We're proud to have Jane App as a Diamond member of the PCA, supporting our profession and bringing innovation straight into Pennsylvania chiropractic offices. To learn more or explore a free trial, click the link in your newsletter and see why so many PCA doctors trust Jane with their practice. This episode is sponsored by Nutridyne, the trusted partner behind Immune Resilience, a daily formula built for the realities of modern life. If your patients are asking for stronger immune and respiratory support, this is the product designed to meet that need. It's clean, evidence-informed, and easy to integrate into any chiropractic wellness plan. Clinics using Immune Resilience report higher patient satisfaction, steadier repeat purchasing, and a simpler way to guide patients toward proactive, year-round wellness. If you're looking to expand your retail offerings or strengthen your clinical toolkit, this is a straightforward win. You'll find product details, science highlights, and exclusive PCA links in the newsletter, or go to Nutridyne.com. Take a look and see how it fits into your practice. Next up, an important update on federal advocacy. Supporting patient access and Medicare savings. In today's segment, we want to highlight a critical step forward for patient access and Medicare savings, and to thank the leaders who helped bring this issue to the national stage. A special thank you goes to U.S. Representative Dr. John Joyce of Pennsylvania, U.S. Representative Dr. Ronnie Jackson of Texas, and Pennsylvania chiropractor Dr. Vic Rizzo, whose leadership and persistence helped amplify the importance of H.R. 539. And to every chiropractor who supported Dr. Joyce's fundraiser, your engagement made a measurable impact. H.R. 539 is not a provider bill. It is a patient access bill. Under current Medicare rules, seniors and individuals with disabilities often need an extra visit with their primary physician just to obtain a referral for an X-ray or diagnostic study. That additional step means more copays, more delays, and higher Medicare costs for something that could be handled directly within a chiropractic office. H.R. 539 changes that. It allows chiropractors to order medically necessary imaging and diagnostics so patients can receive faster, same-day care. This reduces unnecessary pain, limits opioid exposure, and saves Medicare millions by eliminating avoidable office visits. For patients on fixed incomes or those who rely on caregivers, this is a meaningful improvement. It removes barriers, respects their time, and supports timely access to safe, conservative care. The Pennsylvania Chiropractic Association remains committed to advocating at both the state and national level to strengthen cost-effective, patient-centered care. We extend our sincere thanks to the many contributors who supported this effort. Dr. Victor J. Rizzo, Dr. Carlos Wiegering, Dr. Katrina Maserli, Dr. Dan Schatzberg, Dr. Glenn Chulada, Richard Volker of Impact Health, Dr. Kathleen McConnell, Dr. Brandon Traficante, Dr. Matthew Sleppy, Dr. Frank McCaffrey, and Dr. Josh Slomkowski. And now we still need your support. Reach out to your U.S. representatives and Pennsylvania senators and tell them you want H.R. 539 to advance. Your voice matters, and it strengthens this movement. We're back with big news. Registration is officially open for the 2026 Northeast Chiro Summit, returning to Kalahari Resorts from May 1st through 3rd, and this year is shaping up to be our most dynamic event yet. If you're looking ahead to your August licensure deadline, this is one of the smartest and most enjoyable ways to secure your CE. 3 days, 1 location, all the credits you need, delivered by some of the most respected educators in chiropractic. And here's what makes this summit different. This is the largest gathering of chiropractors in Pennsylvania. It is the one time each year when the entire profession comes together under one roof for learning, fellowship, and the kind of conversations that only happen when colleagues reconnect in person. Our featured speakers include Dr. Edwin Cordero, Dr. Laura Tanis, Dr. Tim Bertelsmann, and Dr. Kirk Garris, with more speakers being announced soon. The schedule is exciting, the energy is high, and the weekend blends education, community, and celebration. Right now, you can take advantage of early bird savings through December 31st. Rooms go fast and Kalahari fills early, so this is the moment to secure your spot. Register today on the PCA website, reserve your room, and get ready for a powerful weekend for Pennsylvania Chiropractic. The PCA is proud to celebrate our members, and we're doing it in a way that amplifies you. As a service to the profession, we create a custom 5-star spotlight video that highlights chiropractors who are making a real impact in their communities and earning the reviews to prove it. These videos are completely free to PCA members, they're searchable on the web, and they're perfect for sharing across your social media channels. This is our way of showcasing the doctors who are raising the bar in patient experience and representing chiropractic with excellence across Pennsylvania. If you want to see what these look like, visit the PCA YouTube page and check out past 5-star review spotlights. Do you know a chiropractor delivering exceptional patient care? Nominate them using the link in your newsletter. They might be featured next. This segment is brought to you by Sterling Professional, a proud Diamond Business member of the PCA. Sterling has earned the trust of many PCA doctors because of its commitment to producing only the highest quality clinical products. Their new Methylene Blue Guide offers a clear overview of the research, clinical applications, and dosing considerations every practitioner should understand. Bringing Sterling products into your practice is more than diversifying your retail shelf. It's a way to generate additional revenue while giving your patients access to supplements that are reliable, well-formulated, and backed by clinicians who take quality seriously. You can access the Methylene Blue Guide and claim your exclusive PCA member discount through the link in your newsletter. Today's episode is sponsored by Impact Health Sharing, a proud supporter of the Pennsylvania Chiropractic Association and one of the most cost-effective health coverage options available for chiropractors, their families, and their employees. If you've been looking for a way to reduce the rising cost of health insurance, Impact is worth a serious look. Many PCA members report saving hundreds of dollars per month when switching from traditional plans. Impact offers a simple, transparent model with predictable pricing and no confusing networks, which means you can get quality coverage without the financial strain that often comes with conventional insurance. Impact is also a powerful benefit to offer your staff. Lower monthly costs and straightforward coverage help practices attract and retain great employees while reducing overhead. For small clinics, that kind of savings can be transformative. And because Impact aligns with chiropractic values, practical, patient-centered, cost-conscious care, it fits naturally into the rhythm of a chiropractic office. The PCA is proud to partner with Impact Health Sharing, and many of our doctors already use it personally because it simply makes financial sense. You'll find more information and PCA-specific resources in your newsletter. Take a look and see what you could be saving for yourself, your family, and your team. Did you know that as a member of the PCA, you have access to exclusive savings on travel, entertainment, hotels, theme parks, and more? This benefit is included with your membership, and many doctors are surprised by how much they save once they start using it. Whether you're planning a family trip, booking hotel nights for conferences, or looking for discounted tickets to concerts and attractions, your PCA membership gives you access to a full catalog of member-only pricing. It's simple, convenient, and one of the easiest ways to stretch your personal and family travel budget. Oh wow, you can check out membership deals directly through the PCA website or by visiting memberdeals.com. You can also check out membership deals directly through the PCA website or by visiting memberdeals.com. Visit the newsletter for links and savings available only to PCA members. It's time for this month's Insurance Hot Topics with PCA's Insurance Pro, Karen Toner. This edition covers the 2025 ICD-10 updates effective October 1st, including new MSK and neurological codes, revised definitions and documentation requirements, eliminated codes, special considerations for chiropractic providers. Click the link in the newsletter or visit the PCA Member Resources page. Due to overwhelming demand, one of the PCA's most requested CE seminars is now available on demand through the PCA Learning Catalog. This isn't just another class. It is a full, practice-strengthening training led by Jason Martin, Karen Toner, and Dave Klein, three experts whose guidance has become a touchstone for Pennsylvania chiropractors navigating documentation, compliance, and reimbursement. And the real opportunity goes beyond CE. The Institute isn't designed only for doctors. Bringing your entire team to the same level of understanding changes everything. An informed staff becomes a powerful staff, one that reduces errors, strengthens billing accuracy, protects the clinic, and elevates the patient experience. Picture what shifts when your front desk, billing team, and clinical assistants all understand the standards and can anticipate what payers expect. Practices that train together run smoother, communicate better, and eliminate the friction that drains time and revenue. This year, the full PCCI seminar is available whenever your schedule allows. With chaptered modules, you can watch as a team or assign individually. It's the most flexible and accessible version we've ever offered. Details and registration are in your newsletter and on the PCA webpage. Let us know how you plan to use it inside your practice. Today's episode is supported by Online Chiro, the platform trusted by chiropractors who want a clean, modern, and affordable website without the hassle. Online Chiro gives you turnkey designs, built-in SEO tools, patient education content, and easy updates so your practice can stand out online and attract more new patients. If you've been meaning to refresh your website or upgrade your digital presence, Online Chiro is one of the simplest ways to make a big impact fast. Check your newsletter for more details and PCA member perks. We close today's newsletter with a tribute to Dr. George Coder, who dedicated more than 50 years to chiropractic care. His service, leadership, and impact on Pennsylvania's chiropractic community will be remembered with gratitude. Our thoughts are with the Coder family. Thank you for joining this audio edition of PCA's October 2025 newsletter. For full articles, registration links, videos, and CE resources, visit your PCA member portal or check your email inbox. And a personal note before we close. If you aren't yet a PCA member, we invite you to join us. Your membership strengthens our voice, protects our profession, and allows us to deliver programs like this. Please also consider supporting the PCA PAC and reaching out to your local elected officials. Together we can advance smart policy, defend our scope, and secure the future of chiropractic in Pennsylvania. This audio newsletter exists because PCA members believe that only by standing together can we protect and grow this profession we all care so deeply about. We need every one of you in this fight. Until next time, stay engaged, stay informed, and thank you for advancing chiropractic care across Pennsylvania.